What's up guys, Adrian Amaral here with 911 Gadgets. In today's video, I'm going to show you this cool new laser machine that I just got, and I'm going to show you the unboxing of it. I'm also going to show you how I use it to remove the back glass on all the iPhone models, starting with the iPhone 8 all the way to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And it's most likely going to be used for all the new iPhone models that are to come in the near future. This laser machine can also engrave on your frames, whether it's a glass back or aluminum back. So I was gonna record this video and post it on Friday or Saturday that just passed, and then Monday came and I see Jerry Rig Everything posted a video with the laser machine. Jerry Rig Everything, you beat me to the video, but thumbs up to you, and hopefully if you're watching this, you contact me so we could do a collaboration one day. So although the laser machine is pretty pricey at $2,000 starting, there's options, there's payment plans, and I think it's well worth it, for the investment. But if you can't afford it, or you just don't feel like buying it and you want to get your iPhones repaired or engraved, or Android phones or cases, you can contact me and I'll be happy to do that service for you.
I'm drowning. What's the point of getting out if everything I touch it goes a different route? Oh, tell me what's the point of getting out? All along I've been daydreaming.
Here it is, guys. Here are some.
And I gotta get out of this place that I'm in. Walls closed and take full of my sins. I pray to God.
There it is. It's not that heavy. But here it is, guys.
All along I've been daydreaming. What's the point of getting loud if everything I touch goes a different route? Oh, tell me what's the point of getting.
Alright guys, so I also bought a FUME extractor because when you're lasering off the back glass, it does cause some fumes, some smoke because of the burning of the paint and the glue, so you don't want to inhale that. So I bought this one, and let's see what it's like.
I knelt to pray today, but no one was listening anymore. Do I need to fade away or stay here laying down on the floor? I want.
Yep, so that's that FUME extractor. Okay, now let's put this in the station. Let's go make a station for this equipment, and we'll show you how it all works. Alright guys, so we have it set up now. We have the laser machine ready to go. It's already on. So this right here is the focus. It's your autofocus right here. you go, light turned on. That means the phone is already ready. So you can put it however you like, this way, and you can adjust these things too. Look nice.
Look nice, yeah.
Here we have an iPhone 8 with a cracked back. Here we have an iPhone 8 Plus with the back glass already removed the old way. Here we have an iPhone X with the back glass replaced already with the new way, with the laser. So we removed it, we replaced it, it was beautiful. This was the old school way to doing things, and as you can see, there's a lot of damage. So we don't want to do this anymore. We have the new laser. Let's go ahead and show you how to remove the back glass of this iPhone 8 with the new laser machine. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the new laser machine all in one. It works for engraving, marking, for back glass separation. And you know, the best news about this is that you can get it from yours truly. So leave me a comment down below or email me at contact@911gadgets.com, or you can call me directly at area code 951-399-7911. I have the machines for you guys. If you guys are ready, go ahead and leave me a message, call me, email me. And the big difference between buying it through me is that you have customer support here in the US, okay? So you guys are ready, let me know in the comments. You already know all my platforms. You can send me a direct message on Instagram at 911gadgets. I will also be providing the back glass with a bigger camera hole, okay, so that it can fit right over it. and you don't have to remove the welded on camera frame or bezel. This is the all new laser machine. Use it for your advantage. Make yourself some money, okay? If you guys can't afford the machine, let me know. We do have payment plans. If you guys just want to send in your phones for repair, let's do that. I'll give you a dealer price, okay? So you guys could charge $150, $140 for the repair, and I'll do it for you guys for $80, between $60 and $80 depending on how many phones you guys are going to be sending in, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see other cool videos. If you have any requests, just let me know. I'll see you guys on the next video.